Come on, buddy. Make some noise. Where'd he go?
What is he doing?
He's like a Mexican jumper bean.
He's literally flying straight into the ground.
Alright, dude. Get in the bugs. He's digging this. What are you doing? I can see you. Hello.
Now he's calm. Look what you did.
Oh yeah, I'm like the cicada whisperer.
Oh wow.
What's it called? Is it a cicada? Or
Cicada, tomato, tomato.
How do we know it's not a locust?
Because it's not a swarm of them killing us all.
Locusts don't kill you.
Well, they kill all the plants.
I don't want it.
Oh, this guy's like my buddy now.
That's when he just takes a huge bite out of your hand.
Touch him.
No, I don't want to touch him.
What were you doing?
I was going to get him to go crazy in your dad's hand. See
By
if
touching him,
phone
yeah?
in.
Oh,
He
dude.
just flew into the...
He's like, where's my friend? There you are. All right. Uh-oh. All right, go calm down.
Oh, my God.
No.
Put him in the bushes. He's gone. Good night.